Hey guys, if your 300zx rear shade looks like mine does, all peeling and dried, you don't have a lot of options except maybe paint it or recover it. So I was thinking to do the recover method. So what I did, unfortunately I didn't take a video of removing the vinyl from the rear shade. First I took the shade itself, the part that retracts out of the metal housing, and it was pretty easy. You just undo the little end caps and it comes right out, and I just slid it out of one side. And then it was a little bit rusted, so I didn't really have to do much, but I scuffed it up a little bit and removed, on the very ends, I removed with a wire brush whatever vinyl wouldn't peel off. But to be honest, it just completely peeled off instantly. Very little effort, and it just came off in big chunks. So originally I was going to paint it. Then I thought there's a lot of wraps that they do on cars, and some of them have textures, and I could probably just grab maybe a sheet of wrap and rewrap this thing. But when you look online, it's really difficult to match it. So I wasn't really sure what I would be getting. I could get some samples, but I prefer to see it in person. So what I was shocked was I went to Joann's Fabric, and I was able to find a chunk of vinyl, which honestly I cannot tell the difference. It looks exactly like what was there originally. In fact, it matches the sunshade even closer. I mean, if we're taking into consideration that this sunshade has about 25 years of fade on it, that is identical. I really can't tell the difference, and if you're about 5 inches away, you couldn't either. So I'm going to go with that. So basically, what I'm going to do is just take a chunk of this vinyl, which was $9 at Joann's Fabric, and use this glue and just rewrap this housing. And we're going to see how it's going to look. Okay, first step, we're going to need to measure how much vinyl we're going to need. So I'm going to use a string to measure that. So I'm just going to put a string inside the housing, wrap it around here where the vinyl would go and how far back I need it to go in. And I'm going to measure the string on the tape measure, and that is 7 inches. So now we're going to cut 7 inches off this vinyl. So we need 7 inches. Okay, so 7 inches there. Now we're going to cut the vinyl. I'm just going to use the housing as a guide. Get my razor.